Fortrea, our success is built on consistent, high-quality execution and delivery. By building strong site relationships with ongoing communication and feedback, it allows us to deliver the data and insights our sponsors need.
We work closely with the sponsors and CROs. Part of what investigators do before we even start a clinical trial is we give our input, and we try to work together to say, from our experience, maybe there's a little bit of adjustment that can be made to that protocol that will make the retention better.
When clinical trial sponsors collaborate with us, they're accessing decades of scientific and real-world experience about how to design and run clinical trials that work for patients living with Alzheimer's disease.
I think when we're designing any clinical trial, you have to always think of the patient first. What is the expectation of them, and is that a reasonable expectation? At that same token, we put that up front at the beginning. We tell these patients, this is a big commitment. It's going to take a lot of time from you, and it takes a lot of time for us. I think when we're up front with each other at the beginning and both understand that, I think that's what leads to that retention and people staying in the clinical trial for the duration. Alzheimer's type of clinical trials, they typically last a long time. And because we're dealing with patients that have some cognitive challenge, they have to have a study partner.
It was a great experience because these people know what they're doing. They know what they're doing, and they gave me hope. I didn't have any hope until I found that lab.